Money Academy.
Today, I'm going to share with you a new strategy, that is get paid to watch videos, and you could potentially make up to $15 per video. This is a great way to make money online in 2022. Just like all these people from all over the world, you can start earning money online. For example, this person can earn $5, $23, and even $43. As you can see by scrolling down below, there are hundreds of thousands of individuals who are earning money online simply by viewing videos on this website. So here's how much money you can make by watching just one video. In the United States, you can make $8, so you can make $40 by watching 5 videos. By watching 20 videos, you may earn $160. What's not to enjoy about being able to make $400 simply by watching 50 videos? Thank you. Let's get started. First and foremost, go to google.com and type in the keyword Twitch TV, then hit the search button. You should be able to find the first link, twitch.tv, on your own. This is it, and I'd like you to click on this link, which will lead you to this page where you may find a selection of fully free videos and channels to watch. The majority of these videos are gaming related, so we are going to use videos similar to these ones, and as you can see, we'll be able to make a lot of money online. You can see $5 US, $8, $9, and even hundreds of dollars available. So first of all, I'd like you to go to this website by clicking on the Explore icon just at the top. You can go through the numerous video categories on this website. As you can see, there are numerous genres of videos that you may view right now. And I'd like you to focus on the Fortnite category since it's currently one of the most popular gaming videos, so go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to this page, which you can locate under the category of Fortnite. This one has 82 million followers. You can see it right here. These type of videos have attracted the interest of a great number of people. So if we scroll down below, we'll see all of the videos that we can watch and employ to make money online. So for the next part, I want you to go to this website, exe.io, which you can see here. This is the website where we'll be shortening video links like this. Then we can make a lot of money online, so don't worry. This is a simple task. And in this video, I'll show you everything that's happening. I'll show you how to register for a free account on this website to shorten a long URL link. Let's say I want to make a copy of something. After copying this video link, I'm going to come back to this page and put the Twitch TV link right here. I'm simply going to shorten it by pressing this button right here. As you can see, this is a list of the shorter links provided by this website. The number of dollars I can make relies entirely on the number of individuals who click on this shortened link. For example, if someone from Germany clicks on my link, I can earn $5. If someone from the United States clicks on my link, I can earn $8. You can see in the screenshot below that I may earn different amounts of money depending on which country they're from and where they click my link, and that's precisely how all of these people from all around the globe are able to make money just by simply shortening the links and get the clicks by sharing a video link like this one on this website. You may earn hundreds of dollars. As you can see, the service is presently being used by over 900,000 individuals to make money online. PayPal, Bitcoin, Payer, AdCash, and Perfect Money are among the payment options available. Now I'm going to show you how to sign up for a free account. Simply go to the top of the page and click the Sign Up button. After that, you'll be directed to this page where you can sign up for new membership for free. Simply fill in your username and email address, confirm your password, and then click the Register button. That's all there is to it, so you can log into your brand new account right now. You can see how many clicks your links have got, your earnings, referral earnings, and the average CPM. The balance is $0 since this is a fresh account, and we haven't shortened any links, so I'm going to show you a real-life example right now. Continue watching to see everything. So first, I'd like you to go back to twitch.tv and search for 3 videos under the genre of Fortnite. Now I'm clicking on this video, the second and third videos, which are all right here. Now go to the first video and scroll down and click the share button and copy the link. Then we'll go back to our dashboard and put this Twitch TV link into this box. I'd like you to press the shorten button so that you can see how this website automatically helps us shorten this link into a lot shorter acceptable URL. So for the time being, I'll simply copy, and then I'll give this completed script forward to you. In the meanwhile, I'll give you a general summary of the game, and then I'll add something along the lines of, for more Fortnite videos, click the links below, and we'll paste the URLs to the 3 videos below. As a result, whenever anyone clicked on our link, I was able to make money online. For example, I'm going to paste the shorter link right here under the first video. As you can see, here's my first URL link, which implies that if someone clicks on my link right here, I can receive a different amount of money depending on whatever country they are from. So right now, we're going to do it again. We're going to go on to the next video, repeat the process by clicking the share button and copying the full URL link. Now we'll go back to our account, copy the new URL from the second video and paste it here. Then once again, click the shorten button, and this website will assist us in shortening the link to this one. Then copy the link and paste it right here. Finally, as you can see, we'll go to the third video and scroll down to the bottom. Click the share button and copy the video link. Then return to our account and shorten the link. Then copy it and paste it over here to the script. Finally, for the last part, I'd like you to browse through this forum, which is forums.pcgamer.com. This is a well-known and popular community where people discuss a variety of gaming issues, including Fortnite videos. One of the reasons I like this forum is that it is completely free and available from anywhere on the planet. There is also a lot of discussion and people talking about games, as you can see in the PC gaming topic. General gaming has 1,500 threads and over 40,000 messages. This link will lead me to this page. You can see here we can find various articles and individuals who are posting a very easy piece that is getting a lot of attention, as you can see. 2,000 views, and there's a multitude of opportunities accessible right here on this website. As you can see, this subject is being discussed by a large number of people. When I look for the keyword Fortnite, I discover that there is a lot of interest in gaming videos right now, as evidenced by the fact that over 82 million people are watching Fortnite videos on twitch.tv. This forum is an excellent place to copy and paste this template and share it with others. The more people that click on your link, the more money you can earn online by guiding them to it. That's exactly how all of these people on this website make so much money online, depending on which country they're getting the clicks. That's it for this video. Please support us by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.